getting this car ready so everybody knows who we are, because we're going to the Tesla Takeover event. Very excited to go there. Very excited to be part of that. The biggest Tesla Takeover event in Europe ever. Over 1,100 tickets are sold. So it's gonna be a big event, and we're gonna have to race against the clock to be in time, because tonight will be the biggest light show in history. Very excited to go to the Tesla Takeover event. Very excited to see you guys all, and stay tuned for more information. The magic hands, the magic fingers, dude.
My left, the neighbors gave me a side eye, like I was blind.
We made it in around 11.5 hours. A lot of autopilot driving, a lot of fast driving as well. I like that. Really much looking forward to the event today. Light show tonight, tomorrow a lot of nice speakers. And now we're in Austria. It's such a beautiful country. We're blown away. It's a nice trip. See you there. Alright guys, we made it in time. We left at 8 o'clock this morning and we made it just in time for the light show. They're now handing out the USB sticks. It's gonna be an amazing light show. We're gonna film the whole weekend, so stay tuned. Follow us on Twitter, Kees Roelandschap and Mr. Green EU.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, enjoy!
Right, we're live. Okay, second day of the Tesla, the first day actually of the Tesla Takeover. We saw the light show yesterday, but I'm so attracted to this car. We should offer this as Mr. Green car, because it's the right color. And if you follow me, I really like what they did with wrapping of this part. I actually want my car to be wrapped like this as well. Tell us in the comments what you think of this car, because I think it's pretty dope.
But thank you guys for spending your time, for promoting this event, and really just making this happen.
That's it guys, this was a wonderful event. 2 days of Tesla takeover here at the Vlakhuis Supercharger. We saw again this beauty in real life. Be sure to follow us on Twitter or X. It's Mr. Green EU and at K Kees Roelandschap to stay up to date. I'll see you guys in the next one, and we will try our best to host one of these events at Mr. Green once. Bye bye.